let's we start the arts work. How we do, what we do, and what the creativity we can do. So start topic. So today our topic is funny faces. How to do the funny faces? It's sad, angry, smile. So many faces are there. Now our today topic is funny faces. So what is the material we required? We required scrapbook pages और एनी कलर शीट्स. वेस्ट जो भी चीज़ें आपके घर, पेपर्स, जो भी चीज़ें हैं, जो भी वेस्ट है वो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं इसके अंदर. सीजर, फेविकॉल, वाइट शीट और ब्लैक शीट. वाइट शीट एंड ब्लैक शीट इज फॉर आईज. यू हैव टू मेकिंग अ आईज विद द वाइट और ब्लैक शीट. नाउ नोट, प्लीज यू कैन यूज योर any colored sheets, magazine papers also. Now can we start the work? Come and let's start the work. So first, this is our example. This is the example of funny faces. How we can make. First you have to take one sheet. Cut it in a half. You can use one side. Now you can fold it like this. Like this. Fine. This is the face. This is the face. This is the front and this is the back. How you can fold it. Now half. Now give them a little bit of circle shape. Like this. See, this is the upper part, this is the lower part. Fine. Now you can take one plain sheet. Take it. Now paste it here. Slightly bend it. Now paste it here. See, this is the face. Now you can cut hairs. Take another sheet. It's your choice how to design a hair. Take a strip of any color sheet. Now you can cut hair. Sprinkles, any design you can choose it for the hair. like this. Now open it like this. Give them a little bit of shape. Now cut it. Take them a size and then cutting more. Now fold it this part, upper part inside like this. You can use Fevicol, you can use Fevibond, glue gun, what you have required. Now paste it here like this. See, this is the hair. Now nose. The nose of the color of शीट का जो भी कलर है वही नोज का कलर होगा, वही ईयर्स का कलर होगा. सी लाइक दिस. How to make a nose? First you have to fold it like this. Now one bend, now another bend like this. See, now you have to paste like this. See, okay. Now neck. Neck is also from the same color sheet. Take a strip, broad strip. It's 2 or 3 inch. It's your choice. Hardly it's for 2 inches. paste it in the center like this. Extra part you can cut it. Like this. Now eyes. You have to make eyes with the pen, with the black marker, with the pen, with the color, with the black sheet or a white sheet. Like this. See. Now face. Now face. Smiley face, angry face, sad face, it's your choice. It's a sad face. See. Now the last, it's clothes. You can wear a shirt, any kind of choices you have. So take it, yellow sheet. Give them shape, shoulder shape, neck like this. Now paste it here. See. Okay, fine. If you have any query, any doubt, so first you have to make it, then you have to go through this. अब आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, कोई भी आपको इसके अंदर डाउट लग रहा है, I'll send the link, I'll send the photo. You have to create, you have to make the funny faces for different styles. Okay, okay. Now go creative work, and first and the last thing is that आपको अपनी बुक का भी काम ज़रूर करना है. So you have to do the page number, still life page, the pencil shading. It's a pencil shading, simple strokes. I'll show the simple strokes like this. Give them a standing pencil. Okay, like this. This is the simple strokes. a simple strokes. You can shade like this slant pencil. Simple stroke. Okay, this is a slanting shading. Now this is a hatching. These are the shading patterns. So your next work is, you can do the page number 4 of your book and start shading, pencil shading work. Thank you. Thank you.